If you're looking to learn Scottish Gaelic, I cannot recommend enough. If you're in Scotland or if it's available to you, go to the charity shops. So I think there is no better way to learn than to buy children's books. And that's just how you learn. You started off with the basics. There's nothing wrong with buying children's books. And honestly, I just got 5 books for £1 here. You will often see English books that have been translated into Gaelic. So you can get books like The Gruffalo or... I don't even know. I do not even know. You can have them for any ages. I think they're just brilliant to do. They don't have to have lots of words. Or you could go super simple, and I bought this because this is the kind of copy I had when I was young, and it's Travis Sparkle. It is just words and pictures, and if you were to look inside, it has scenarios like this one, toy shop. So this is about a toy shop. You have toys, you have the words, and you just, I honestly cannot recommend enough. Just buy kids books.